In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove alerts on TradingView. If you've been using TradingView for a while, you've probably created a few alerts to help you track price movements, indicators, or specific trading conditions. Over time, those alerts can pile up, become outdated, or simply no longer be relevant to your strategy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to clean those up and remove alerts so your workspace stays organized and easy to manage. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This bar contains several icons for things like watch lists, notifications, and alerts. So you'll want to look for the icon that looks like an alert or a small clock. This is where TradingView keeps all of your active and past alerts in one place. Go ahead and click on that alert or clock icon. When you do, a panel will open up, usually on the right side of your chart. In this panel, you'll see a list of your alerts, along with some basic information about each one, such as the symbol, the condition, and whether it's currently active or has already been triggered. Take a moment to look through this list and identify the alerts you no longer need. These might be alerts tied to past trades, old strategies, or price levels that are no longer relevant. Once you've found an alert you want to remove, move your mouse over that specific alert in the list. You should see a small trash can icon appear, usually on the right side of that alerts row. This trash icon is the delete option. When you're sure you no longer need that alert, click on the trash icon. After you click the trash icon, TradingView will remove that alert from your list. Depending on your settings, you may or may not get a confirmation prompt, but once it's deleted, that alert will no longer trigger or send you any notifications. Repeat this process for any other alerts you want to clean up. Just hover over each alert, click the trash icon, and it will be removed. It's a good habit to regularly review your alerts and delete the ones you don't need anymore. Keeping this list tidy helps you stay focused on your current trading plan and prevents unnecessary notifications from distracting you. And that's all there is to it. Click on the alert or clock icon on the right sidebar, then click the trash icon next to any alert you want to remove.